sun doesn't always shine. The sails are torn apart by the winds. Everything inside you collapses. Lightning and thunder, the helm tries to rip free from your hands. And the black waves, just your trial to endure. Keep your light in your chest, it won't let you down. And the storm will strike, and everything will be swallowed in the dark. A deafening, squalling roar will stun and blind. And it feels like you're at the bottom with no way out and no one to reach.